Packs box. I always get nervous because I'm afraid it's going to be something I'm going to hate. It feels slightly heavy, so probably not charcoal or pastels, hopefully. A gouache. I haven't tried Winsor & Newton gouache, so that'll be good. Good brush. I like these brushes. Princeton 1 round. That's good. This is a flat Robert Simmons number 10. That looks pretty good. I like rounds better. Plastic palette, which I don't like. Oh, a sticker. It's kitty. Oh, cute. Oh, I love that. Little kitty. Sticker's always the best part. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's multimedia? Oh, okay. We'll give that a try. I like these kind of sketchbooks with the spiral binding. So it's pretty thick. What is it? 110 pound. And it's got a little bit of a tooth to it, so it's not completely smooth. So, oh, that's so cool. Oh, we gotta look at the paints. I think this has some kind of, I don't know, prompt on it or something. So I don't use flat brushes a lot, but we'll put it over there for now. And this is a little bit small. I might use a different brush, should I? Maybe not. Am I supposed to use what's just in the box? Yeah, all right. So let's look at the paints. So 6 of them. Primary color set. So probably red, yellow, blue, white, black. Yes. Oh, there's a green too. This isn't primary. No. So these will be interesting. I've never tried these. I don't know why. I know a lot of people like Winsor & Newton, but I don't know. I kind of have this aversion to them. Although a long time ago, they made these really nice liquid acrylic inks, and I love them, but they haven't made them since, and it's too bad because I really like them. So we'll give these a try. I don't know let's see what the prompts are. So field, shoes, black and white, and sci-fi. Well, I don't like the sound of any of those, so I'll go through my iPad and see if there's any pictures that I want to recreate. But I'm happy about this. I like this. Because usually, a lot of times they'll give you a pad, and I don't like those as much. This is something that, it's like a book, so. Cool, okay. So let me come up with an idea, and I'll come back and show you what I did. Okay, well, I did a couple of projects, but I have really not come to much of a conclusion. So what I did was, I thought I would compare these with these. These are the ones I normally use, the Holbein gouache. I picked similar colors. They're a little bit different, but so I did sort of some little swatches. I think these are the 3 main colors. I added some water to see how they worked, you know, after they were dry. And I mixed a couple of colors. And they're not bad. It's just they just weren't the same. I went through and did the same with these. And there's something, it's like they're a little bit shiny. And these aren't. And I think that was, well, maybe, yeah. These are a little drier, kind of. I did like the purple that I got. When I mixed these two, I got some pretty purples. But that was just a question of shade, because this is, the blue is a little different, the red is a little different. So I'm going to get different purples. But there's nothing wrong with them. It's just, I guess I just tend to like these better. This reminds me of, the Winsor & Newton reminds me of like poster paint. For some reason. It's not bad. I guess I'm just used to these, so I don't think I'm going to be using these. So then I went to do a couple of pictures, and I ended up doing 4, and then I ended up not really liking them, so I added stuff to them. This was the Winsor & Newton. And I used it basically like watercolor. I'm used to using gouache. I think I'm used to using it in a very thick way, like this. So to use it as watercolor was a little bit odd. And then I didn't really like the way it looked, and I couldn't, I don't know, maybe I just wasn't bothered to continue painting. So I just used like a micron to add some details to it. So I did that one, and then I did this one with the Holbein gouache, and I added color pencil to it. I don't know. I feel kind of lazy this week. I just couldn't do what I thought I was gonna do. This is the Winsor & Newton. I like the brightness of the colors. I have to say that. But like again, it's just the shade you choose. I mean, I could find the same exact colors in the Holbein, and I just didn't. I just grabbed what was closest. And I added color pencil to this because it was really odd looking. And then I did one with the Holbein. Again, I added colored pencils because it was odd looking. I don't know, she's still odd looking. So I don't know if there's much of a conclusion I can reach, except there's nothing wrong with these. They're fine. I just prefer these. So I think it's just a matter of preference. I don't really want to get rid of these, though. I mean, I don't want to just throw them in the trash. I wonder if, from all the boxes that I get, I wonder if I should put together like a little package of stuff. Would people, do you think, would you guys like want to do like a giveaway of stuff that's like partially used? Like I use these a little bit. I just don't want to throw them away. I mean, they're pretty much brand new. I just used like a drop of each one. Although this one, when I took the cap off, it exploded. So there's a little bit more left. Oh, it did it again. There's something the matter with this. There's like gas in here or something. Every time you open it, it like explodes. So is that something that, does that seem weird to want to give away like partially used art supplies? So if it's something that people would be interested in, let me know, because I would rather give them to somebody who would use them, you know. Gotta get this cap on. Okay, anyway, so that's my non-conclusion of these supplies, except that I know what I like. So again, let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in like winning a giveaway. I don't know when I'm going to do it because I still have boxes coming, and I've got some new boxes coming. I subscribed to Sketchbox for a couple of months, so we'll see how that goes too. So anyway, let me know. Hope this was interesting. I will see you next week. I don't know what I'll be doing, but we'll figure it out. Thanks for watching. Bye!